Hey guys, this is Paul from Smart Easy DIY. Welcome to episode 1 of building my pole barn house. We're trying to get the home site cleared here. It's all woods where we live, and so we're getting the woods all cleared out so that we can get our home site in here. And we got a dozer in here, got our excavator, he's clearing trees. This was kind of in the fall of last year, so it was really kind of a mess. And then the winter hit. As you can see, lots of snow. We kind of put everything on hold for the winter. And then in the spring, we got our driveway put in, had to put the electric in right with the driveway. So that was a pretty big deal to get the electric put in and everything at the same time and get the driveway in because that was our only access up there. Then we had to take even more trees down. I hated getting rid of many trees as we did, but we kind of had to because we didn't want any too close to the building, just because in the future, if you're worried about them falling over or anything like that, or roots growing into your foundation, etc. There was my favorite tree of all time right there on the whole property. He was just a little too close to the house, so I had to let him go. I'm actually glad now with having to plow snow and all that for all the trees we did take out. We're going to use them for firewood and stuff, but it was kind of nice to have them out of there just to have a little more room to work. So we got so many trees there we don't have to worry about losing any trees. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a quick introduction, episode 1. Of getting the home site cleared and ready, and stay tuned for more episodes coming up. Now I'm really stoked. We just got the electric hooked up and it works. I'm gonna plug my grinder in here and test it out. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for any future videos coming up on my journey of building my pole barn house. Thanks for watching.